Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Dadul Motion, a 7th grader of Fort Jala Precision School and College. Today I'm going to give you some concepts about what is affixation. But first, I'm going to thank our Honorable DC Sir for arranging this platform which is helping us, students, a lot. So let's get started. It is estimated that there are at least 1 million words in English language, and affixation is the most common way of making new words in English. The definition of affixation is a process of adding a group of letters with a root word to make another meaningful word. There are 4 types of affixation. But today I'm going to mention 2 primary types which are mentioned in our book, and they are suffix and prefix. These are the 2 most common ways of affixation. So first of all, what is prefix? Prefix is a process of adding a letter or a group of letters to a root word to make another meaningful word. For example, contest. Contest doesn't have any meaning, but test, which has a meaning, which is porikha. So here, con is the prefix. So the root word here is test, which is porikha, and con doesn't have any meaning. So we can say that suffix, by adding suffix, we get another meaningful word, because test is porikha and contest is pratijogita. Both are different. Then nextly comes suffix. Suffix is also a process of adding a letter or a group of letters to a root word. For example, friendly. Here friend means bondhu and ly doesn't have any meaning. That's why ly is a suffix. And friendly is a suffix used word. So do note though, here suffix adds more specification, while a prefix doesn't give more specification, while it changes the meaning of a word. That's why these two affixes are different. Now you may know that the S and ES, the use of S and ES. This S and ES is also a suffix, and it is the most popular suffix of all, because we use plural words a lot. Like we add S to ES when we want to say more than one. For example, boys, girls, buses, etc. Now you may have a question that in a word, can there be a suffix and also a prefix? And the obvious answer is yes. Here I have written a word, as you can see, it is uncomfortable. Here un is a prefix, while comfort is a root word and able is a suffix. And when we bring them together, we get a word which is called uncomfortable. Here comfort is aramdayok and uncomfortable means aramdayok temon ekta aramdayok na. And there are more words like this where suffix and prefix both exists, like supportive, suffix and prefix exists, and unfriendly, suffix and prefix exists. And there are a lot of words like this. You can search them in Google, because Google is one of the best ways for learning this, for finding these words. So I assume that this video was fruitful to you, and I'm going to end here. Thanks for having patience, and Assalamu alaikum.